Now that we have finished engraving, let's take a little closer look. First, take a look at the back side of the mirror after the engraving is complete. You'll notice how the design perfectly cuts through the reflective backing, and if you look closely, the honeycomb pattern from the laser bed is slightly visible through the engraved sections. Now, let's move to the front side of the mirror. Here, you can see the engraving from a whole new perspective. We've added a solid white backing to enhance the design's contrast, making the intricate details of the engraving really stand out against the reflective surface. Finally, this last image demonstrates the impact of using different backing colors. On the left, a white backing makes the design pop with a clean and bold appearance, while on the right, the black backing creates a sleek and dramatic effect. You can see the flexibility this allows you to further personalize your design. To take your design even further, you can paint the back with multiple colors to create a stunning, vibrant effect. And for an added touch of creativity, try incorporating backlighting to make your engraving truly stand out and come to life. These results highlight how laser engraving on a mirror can transform a simple surface into a stunning piece of art, with endless possibilities for customization. Until next time, keep creating and pushing the boundaries of your imagination. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow ADT Studios for more inspiring projects.